Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Mike's Militaria. Feel free to check him out. He has an interesting variety of items, as well as a mailing email newsletter that will inform you of in-stock items and upcoming sales. So again, Mike's Militaria. Here's a sample sticker. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And I can see his box is a little bulgy, so I might have to turn it over. Let's see if we can carefully slice that part. That's it. No manifest. Set this aside. So what we have here are some German items. German Bundeswehr H&K G3 ammo pouch in the later vinyl pattern. So I believe that would be these two in the separate there. As you can see, they really are kind of a plasticized vinyl. You can see the mounting system for belts there. The closure kind of loop flaps and the internal contents there. You can actually see some kind of chemical residue, probably from prior objects in there. I see a date of 1982, as well as a bunch of numbers. This one similarly is 1985. And I believe that shouldn't have anything on that side yet. Okay, so two of the German Bundeswehr H&K G3 ammo pouch in the later vinyl pattern. And the other item set we have here is a German Bundeswehr G3 Rifleman's equipment set used. So we will have pouches, a belt, and looks like a harness suspender system. So let's get this little piece of fluff out of the way. So again, similar HK pouches. This one is a 1985. And this one is a 1985, so we got a match on that. Very nice, both OFW marked. You can see the metal type of closures they use on the German belt and suspender harness system, as well as the middle shoulder loop, whatever you would call this circular strap attacher. See if I got a magnet here. It always disappears in my tool set here. So, not magnetic. Thought I had gotten a little bit of an attraction, but nope. Appears that none of this stuff is magnetic. This appears to be brass. It's just the way of the magnet. So, but you can see the belt. So let's see, the large buckle with this kind of textured pattern, scale pattern, markings on the inside of the buckle, and the other end that slips through, with also a retaining clip on here as well. Turn it over to the correct orientation. Okay, so this is our center point in the back, two at the hips, and you can see how these have looped in through the belt, and harness looping through there as well. Might have to adjust that slightly, keep that from popping that there. So you can see that is a catch point that I might have to adjust a little bit better. So, and if we work our way to the back, you can see we have a couple more attachment points for, say, straps for the pack. And we also have these two as well that can attach to some other point as well on each side. So, backtracking, we got German Bundeswehr G3 Rifleman's equipment set used, as well as a couple extra German Bundeswehr H&K G3 ammo pouches in the later vinyl pattern. So these all came from Mike's Militaria. Feel free to check it out. The web store. Mike's Militaria. For the interesting variety of items, subscribe to the newsletter. That way you get the scoop on sales, what's in stock, etc. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on more specific vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a series of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.